Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand the feature Synchronize Slicer of Power BI. So let's go on the canvas of Power BI. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous videos to understand the flow of this tutorial. On page 1, we have created some visual. On page 2, we have created some visual. Now on page number 4, we are having a slicer. These are the two slicers which we are having. Now I want this slicer to be synchronized with other pages. How can I do it? So just click on that slicer, synchronize the slicer, just do the tick mark on it. So 1, 2, 3 and minimize it. Now go on page number 1. You will find that the slicer which was on page number 4 has appeared here also. See this, page 2, page 3. Moreover, just select any order date and the changes will appear simultaneously on all the visuals. So this is how you can synchronize the slicers in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.